Let me ask you something. What would happen if your income stopped tomorrow, but your bills didn't? The rent is still due, the lights still need to stay on, and the kids still need food. Life doesn't just pause because your income does. Most families aren't financially destroyed by death, they're financially destroyed by living too long, getting sick, and not being prepared. Hi, my name is Stephanie Rivera, and I help families just like yours protect their income, protect their future, and build financial security using living benefits, annuities, and strategies most people would never thought. And today I'm going to explain why protecting your family is one of the most important financial decisions you will ever make and why waiting for the right time is the biggest mistake people make. Most people are one emergency away from financial stress, not because they're irresponsible, not because they don't care, but because nobody taught them how to protect themselves properly. We insure our phones, we insure our cars, we insure things that can be replaced, but we don't insure the one thing that makes everything else possible, our income. Your income is the greatest asset. It pays your rent, it feeds your kids, it builds your future. Without your income, everything else will collapse. And this is where living benefits and immunities come in. Most people think life insurance pays when you die. That's outdated thinking. Living benefits are designed to protect you while you're alive. If you experience a critical illness like cancer, heart attack, stroke, or a major medical condition, living benefits allows you to access money from your policy while you're still here. This money can help cover anything like medical expenses, rent or mortgage, bills, lost income, or simply allow you to focus on recovery instead of financial stress. Because the truth is, illnesses doesn't just attack your body, it attacks your finances. Living benefits create that financial field for you. They make sure your family doesn't fall apart financially during the difficult times. This is protection for the living, not just protection for the deceased. What are annuities and why they matter? Now let's talk about annuities. Most people don't realize this, but retirement isn't about having a large lump sum of money. It's about having consistent income. Annuities are designed to create that guaranteed income. Income you cannot outlive. Income that continue whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down. This is how people protect their retirement. Because the biggest fear in retirement isn't dying early, it's living too long and running out of money. Annuities can help solve that problem. They can create stability, they can create predictability, they can create security. Becoming your own bank is also very important. Most people store money in banks. But guess what? Banks use your money to generate wealth. What if you could use the strategies that allow your money to work for you? What if you could build financial systems that give you control? This is what it means to be your own bank. It means creating financial protection, financial growth, and financial control. Instead of being dependent on systems, you create your own. Wealthy families don't just earn money. They protect it, they grow it, and they structure it. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. They say, I'll do it later. I'm still young. I'm healthy. But tomorrow is not a promised day. And protection becomes more expensive with age. Your health changes. Your options changes. Your eligibility changes. Waiting doesn't make it easier. Waiting makes it harder. The best time to protect your family is when you're healthy, not when something happens. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. Protection isn't about fear, it's about love. It's about making sure your family is secure no matter what happens. It's about creating financial stability. It's about building a future that isn't fragile. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel or follow my page because I'm going to be sharing more educational videos about living benefits, immunities, and how you can protect your family and build real financial security. Also, check the link in my description to reach out to me directly if you want to learn more about your personal options. Your future self will thank you, and so will your family too. Bye guys, I'll talk to you on the next one.